Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I made these little pie boxes, right? And I filled them with goodies. Now I am trying to figure out a cute way to package it. So I think I will use my ribbon. So I cut a piece of ribbon. Sorry for the mess. And what I think I'm going to do, I'm just going to run this ribbon and glue my boxes just to the ribbon, just like that, as if it's a banner. Okay? Just like that. And that's exactly how I want it, but I want to make sure that my spacing is at least even. Attempt to make it even. Okay, there we go. Almost even. So I mean, I could do this, stay right here all day and try to make it all straight, but it's not going to happen. So I'm going to start with the center, glue it down. I don't know, might do a little bit of, I need to decorate these two boxes, the two bigger ones, but I'm going to start here and go ahead and glue that down. And my recipient will be able to take it off if they wanted to use it without hanging the banner. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll put you guys on time lapse so it doesn't get too boring or too long for me to edit. Okay? Alrighty, so I finished making my embellishment binder. So I'm just going to make sure everything is secure on here so it doesn't tip over. The boxes itself are staying secure, like closed. Glue gun string, glue strings. Okay. Ooh, that was hot. Oh, the glue gun. And there it is. Doesn't hang right. I don't know. Well, because they're all full, so. There you go, guys. Just pretty little boxes. Just like that. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. And then, I mean, they're not supposed to be like this, but should be like a banner type, but it's okay. I'm going to tie it up like this so that I could package it ready for shipping. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification so you know when I load up a new video. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.